सोशल मीडिया पर एक नए विवाद ने जन्म ले लिया है। विवाद रियलिटी शो लॉकअप से जुड़ा हुआ। रियलिटी शो लॉकअप में राम कपूर ने एक टास्क के बाद उनकी को कंटेस्टेंट श्रेया को गाल पर किस कर दिया था, जिसके बाद श्रेया ने इस बात का मुद्दा बनाते हुए ये कह दिया कि अगली बार इसने मुझे किस किया तो मैं इसके होठ पकड़ के कहूंगी कि बहन के भाई, इतनी चुम्मी तो मेरा बाप भी नहीं लेता है। श्रेया राम कपूर के इस जेस्चर पर बेहद भड़कती हुई दिखाई दी। उसके बाद अब राम कपूर के बचाव में आई हैं उनकी पत्नी गौतमी। गौतमी ने अपने पति के लिए क्या कहा, जरा ये सुनिए।
Lot of people are passing judgments, comments saying that he's a sleaze, he's a khadki, he's an old man who's like has some vested interests. So let me tell you guys that this is the way Ram is. I'm not defending him for the way he is, but he's a man who is all heart, and he went into the game show or the reality without any strategy or without any plan. So I think that is what is coming across. If he was being sleazy, then I'm sure the inmates would have called out to him in the initial days of the show. It's been almost 4 to 5 weeks that they've been locked up. Then why is it now that suddenly there's this uproar and people are talking about it? I mean, what is the reason? The only reason I can see is that yes, he did not support Shreya as the gang leader, which maybe he should have done because she's done the tasks brilliantly for him and she supported him all the way. So maybe he should have, but that's one's personal decision. So I don't want to comment on that. Also wanting to tell you that we watched the show in the comforts of our homes, and the inmates are locked up for the last 4 to 5 weeks without any contact from the outside world. So it must be really tough, and it must be such a mind game that we don't even have an idea about that. And also not to forget that the episodes are edited. We don't know what the whole story is, we only see the edited version. So before passing these heavy comments and these toxic comments, please understand that all these things are trickling down to our family, and please be a little considerate of that. And I wish all the contestants, all the inmates, all the very best. I'm definitely going to support my husband till the very end. Ram, we love you and we're rooting for you. All the best.
हमने आपको दोनों पक्षों की बात बताई। अब आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके हमें ये जरूर बताइएगा कि आपके हिसाब से कौन सही है। क्या राम कपूर ने एक पिता की हैसियत से श्रेया को किस की और श्रेया ने उसका मुद्दा बना दिया, या फिर राम कपूर को इस तरह श्रेया को किस नहीं करना चाहिए था? What do you guys think on this? Do let us know by commenting in the comment section below. Keep watching Final Cut News. Final Cut Entertainment Desk.